Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one. 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 Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, good day. This is your girl Fendi Peach One, and I fell in love with this culinary matcha powder. Yes, ma'am. I think they make these at whatever that coffee shop is, Star something. I don't know. Starbucks? Is it Starbucks? Anywho, I don't go to those places because I don't spend that type of money on drinks. I make them myself because this costs about $8 alone at Walmart. So they say get 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, and if you have vanilla, some vanilla stuff or whatever that you put in coffee or whatever, you can mix it. But I'm gonna put some vanilla flavor in there, and I got just a little bit of agave. So those two are gonna go together. First thing in the morning, I take my liquid chlorophyll just to show you guys that I do have the moringa vegetable powder. I want to try that in here, but then again, when I made that matcha powder tea drink yesterday, it was so good. It was so good, and it gave me so much energy. And on top of that, I didn't even eat nothing till 5. I was supposed to, because I am intermittent fasting. I was supposed to eat at 2, but I didn't, because I found myself so busy that I didn't even eat till it was time for the children to eat. So, like, eat again, I'll say, because they ate breakfast. Then they had a snack around 2, and then we'll eat dinner around 4 or 5. So we didn't eat till 5. And when I ate a little bit of ground turkey with a little bit of chips. So I had like a little nacho thing going on, but I didn't want to go over my carbohydrates. Anywho, so I'm going to take some of this matcha powder. Trying to do this with one hand, y'all. And this is the consistency of it. The spoon tends to grab a lot, but I'm going to try to shake some off. Y'all, it's so good. That's too much, but hey, I already got my water here, my distilled water. And it's going to be hard to get this. But hey, I'm going to put this in the microwave on 2 minutes. And then we're going to put some ice in my little magic bullet. And we're going to mix all this together. I won't put my vanilla or my agave in yet, because I need for this to be hot before it gets cold into a matcha. I'm not actually making a matcha. It's a matcha green tea is what it's called. But I think theirs be frozen. But anywho, that's what I'm doing. So we're going to put this in the microwave on 2. Okay. Okay, y'all. Let's get her out this microwave. These are all my teas and coffees. Yeah. Let's get her out the microwave. Let's put whatever someone had back in there. Even though I put their stuff back, they don't never put my stuff back. So we're going to stir her. Yep, we got her piping hot. And I put my little thing on the side of my stove. I'm tired of them dropping food on the side of the stove in this little cabinet. So we're going to open this. This had failed, but it didn't bust, so it broke the top. Anyhow, well, I should have shook it up first. Anywho, we're going to pour. Yeah, I love these little fat scoop spoons, so there you have it. We're going to pour some of her in here. I didn't try it with the vanilla on yesterday. I had a straight matcha. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour this in this bottle to get all of that up out of here. And then I'm going to pour this into ice. We didn't pour. Where y'all finna go? We're spend some time over here first. Just to not do nothing.
What you mean?
Nothing. Haven't ready. Don't eat that booger thing, baby. Okay, y'all, let's go over here. So now that we got the agave, the vanilla, and the matcha mixed together, I already got my magic bullet cup filled with ice and more water. So we're gonna pour that in. Hope it all fits. And then we're gonna put the top on her. Okay, y'all, so I got this tall glass mug. Now, I know all this is not going to fit, but let's get it in. Y'all, this is so good. And matcha green tea has so many health benefits. So good. Gotta get my straw. Now, let's taste her. So good, even with vanilla. Even with vanilla, this is good. And I have some extra. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Enjoy your day. God bless. The first time I had my matcha green tea, I tried it with this Chobani Oatmilk vanilla. That I did have vanilla with, come think about it, yesterday. That was the first time. And it has no lactose, no nuts, no gluten. It's at Jules. It's vegan friendly. Oats good for you and the planet. And here's the nutritional facts. Here are the nutritional facts. And that is what's in it. And it's not bioengineered. How about that? Carbohydrates is 15 grams. So this is what I had on yesterday. And you're not allowed no more than 50. Try not to go over 20, but if you have to, don't have no more than 50 grams of carbohydrates. Anywho, that is that. This is good, y'all.